So, see you again. This video will explain about AHK's syntax and usage. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Thank you. A label identifies a line of code and can be used as a go-to target or to form a subroutine. There are three kinds of label: normal named labels, hotkey labels, and hotstring labels. Normal labels consist of a name followed by a colon. Hotkey labels consist of a hotkey followed by double colon. Hotstring labels consist of a colon, 0 or more options, another colon, an abbreviation and double colon. A hotkey label can be directly followed by a command or other statement to create a one-line hotkey. In other words, if a command, assignment or expression is present on the same line as a hotkey label, it acts as though followed by return. A hotkey with a key name written to the right of the double colon is actually a remapping, which is shorthand for a pair of hotkeys. For example, A, pair of colon, B, creates hotkeys and labels for star and star up, and does not create a label named A. A hotstring with text written to the right of the final double colon is an auto-replace hotstring. Auto-replace hotstrings do not act as labels. Names are not case-sensitive and may consist of any characters other than space, tab, comma, and the escape character. However, due to style conventions, it is generally better to use only letters, numbers, and the underscore character. For example, my list view, menu underscore file underscore open, and outer underscore loop. Label names must be unique throughout the whole script. Although there are no reserved names, it is strongly recommended that the following names not be used: on, off, toggle, alt-tab, shift, alt-tab, and menu and alt-tab menu dismiss. These values have special meaning to the hotkey command. Target of a label is the next line of executable code. Executable code includes commands, assignments, expressions and blocks but not directives, labels, hotkeys or hotstrings. In the following example, run underscore notepad and hash and both point at the run line. Like directives, labels have no effect when reached during normal execution. In the following example, a message box is shown twice, once during execution of the subroutine by GoSub, and again after the subroutine returns. Okay guys, I hope that this video can be useful. Thank you for watching. See you later.